leave it to Jamaicans for us to up something good or bad that we are make money from. I remember when TikTok in 2018 when joined, people just depend this thing, I laugh, I have fun, I dance. They can't dance, but they might dance. They can't sing, but they might sing. Then the pandemic came and everybody just depend TikTok, same way I have fun, I act, people who can't act, I act. You know? Then everybody start go live. And then they take the badness from off the street and bring it on TikTok. All I hear is TikTok badness. TikTok badness. I'm like, why bring the street badness to TikTok? Just leave it in the streets, or better yet, just leave the badness alone. Now we have people who get con up live on TikTok. We have people who are drop out live on TikTok. Then we have man who are go on robbery, exchange con with police, recognize they can't beat the police. What them do? Take up them phone, go on TikTok, and then click live. Them are show we them wound, them can't wound on TikTok live. You have people are losing life on TikTok, and you have people who are go live while in a con up exchange with police on TikTok. Now what y'all think is gonna happen? TikTok might just suspend live in Jamaica or ban it permanently. Food for thought. Also, the Jamaicans know that Nigerians are chopping line before there was even a line. Yes, them are send mail from the 80s and 90s to the US, Canadians, and UK citizens, and I earn them bread. You can Google and you won't see an article where Nigerians are off Nigerians over chopping funds. I'm just saying.